apparently I have been shopping so much that I have forgotten about some items that I bought, and now I have a really nice surprise at home. Hi, welcome to my channel, welcome back. Thank you for joining me for this video. Today I want to share with you a little Gucci item which I bought in a Gucci outlet in Sicily, and I actually have forgotten about it, and I have been away and I just found this at home and I haven't seen it since I bought it, so let's just unbox it together. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Natalia and I'm self-admitted shameless shopaholic, and I post on YouTube videos on how I spend my money or how I waste my money. So if you enjoy shopping, especially luxury designer handbags, but also non-designer fashion and all the fun stuff we women enjoy, please consider joining my Anonymous Shopaholic club down below so we stay in this addiction together. Guys, so I have here a little SLG from Gucci Multicolor collection, which I bought in Sicily in this designer outlet, and I actually bought it like a day before I was leaving Italy. I went to the outlet in the last minute because I decided that I want those gold Prada sneakers, and I was walking around and I also went to Gucci, and because I had such a craving for that multicolor collection, and I was like walking around and they had some bags, but I think my heart was so set on that green mini tote that I just, like any other bag, it was just felt like a replacement of it, or like, you know, kind of buying instead. So I didn't want to do that. And also, like, let's be real and let's be very honest, like the money I was spending was also a concern a little. So I just didn't want to just run and buy so many things and like basically another bag. And I bought there, I think, anyway, in Italy last time, like 3 bags, 2 in outlets, 1 on in YSL, I think. So that's probably it if I am remembering correctly now. Anyway, after, you know, making a few circles at that Gucci outlet, I decided, like, okay, one life, live it, let's just have a piece of that collection. Yes, I know, I used to think I am not an SLG collector. Why do you need 5 wallets? Why do you need this and that? Well, I don't know. Maybe just because you want a piece of that collection. And now I understand that point of, view, that people buy something because they just want to have a piece of a collection. Never thought I would be like that. So basically what I'm saying, I don't have any good excuse or explanation for buying this item, except that I really want a piece of multicolor collection and I really wanted to satisfy that need in me, or this kind of craving, or I don't know, greed. So I eventually bought this little SLG. So let's get into that little goodie box. So it's a piece of multicolor collection, so even the box is actually originally from the multicolor collection. It has that, colorful check, beautiful. Yeah, I know, I'm too crazy about some packages, but like, isn't it cute? Okay. For sure this box will be used for something, like it's so beautiful inside. I think I can keep some, bits on my desk or something on my, like maybe some hair ties or something that doesn't stain it, obviously. But yeah, for sure it will be used. It's just too cute. Okay, so let's get into the main goodie. And it's an SLG, it's a wallet, so multi-color collection wallet. And here we have the guy, which is blue, and on the back it's pink. And inside is red, something that looks like leather, but I'm not sure if it's leather, to be honest. I don't think so, it's too thin, I think. But anyway, it's something leather-like, and it's red inside. So this is my little piece that I bought just to really satisfy that multicolor collection craving, and the price was 245 euros, so minus tax-free was like 200 euro, which, let's say, is not bad at all. I have to say that the design of that wallet is actually very nice. That was like additional point which was like, pushing me over that swipe the card move. So it has few slots for cards. It has one, two, actually 3 here. Then it has a couple of them here, and it has a secret pocket over here. And then of course it has a zip compartment, which is for like loose cash or some loose items, which is always very good. And on the side here, it actually has 4 notes. So it is actually very, very practical wallet. And let me tell you something else. This can be also a mini bag, like the really tiny mini bag, because if I open it like this, I am able to put a chain through that. So not without using this compartment for notes, but like I don't have to have notes always with me, and I can fold them also in here. So basically with a chain, it can be used as a little mini bag. So isn't that great that it can be a wallet, it can be also a mini bag? I'm actually so proud of myself that I was so creative to convince and find, you know, some rational reasons for buying this completely unnecessary wallet. Don't you think so? Don't you agree? That was very brilliant. It's a mini bag. It's a mini bag. And it's a wallet. 2-in-1. Why not to get it, especially for €200? That's all, guys, for this short video, which I want to share with you my little find at home. So my house is full of unexpected gifts. I wish every time I come back I find some, you know, little Gucci item hidden for me. That would be amazing, wouldn't it? That's all for that short video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for staying with me. I will see you in my next video, and until next time, take care and don't forget to enjoy your life. Bye, guys.